Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Tesla Model 3 battery. This is a significant and complex procedure, requiring specialized tools and strict safety protocols. The high-voltage battery pack is a substantial component, weighing over 1,000 pounds and operating at around 350 to 400 volts. We'll cover the essential steps, from initial preparation to final system checks, ensuring a thorough understanding of this intricate process. Safety is paramount when working with high-voltage systems. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including insulated gloves and safety glasses. Before any work begins, power off the vehicle through the touchscreen, then disconnect the high-voltage system, often found under the rear seat, and the 12-volt battery. A hydraulic battery lift table is essential for safely managing the battery pack's immense weight, which can exceed 1,000 pounds. The removal process begins by carefully disassembling interior components and underbody panels to gain access. Next, the coolant lines connected to the battery pack must be drained and disconnected. Using insulated tools, safely disconnect the high-voltage cables. Finally, remove the many bolts that secure the battery pack to the vehicle's chassis. This step requires precision and the use of a specialized lift to lower the heavy battery pack. Installing the new battery involves reversing the removal steps, starting with carefully positioning the pack using a hydraulic lift. Reconnect all high-voltage cables, coolant lines, and secure the mounting bolts, ensuring they are torqued to precise manufacturer specifications. After physical installation, crucial software calibration and system checks are required to integrate the new battery with the vehicle's systems. This ensures optimal performance and safety for your Tesla Model 3.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.